Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you Roblox error teleport failed code 773 fix. Are you looking for a quick guide how to fix Roblox error teleport failed code 773? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so how do you fix error 773 on Roblox? So, first one is to log out of Roblox, all of your Roblox sessions. This teleport error code can occur due to the problem with the double login session. So you might have logged in twice or you might have played a game consecutively too fast. And to avoid this issue, it is recommended to ensure that you are only logged in from one location at a time. So make sure to log out of all your Roblox sessions and try again. And then number two, make sure that the game is up to date. For PC, open the Roblox website on your web browser, log into your personal Roblox account. After this, you will be directed to the homepage where you will find several games. Choose Roblox and click on the play button shown directly below. Then update will automatically start before the game begins. And if the process doesn't start automatically, click on download and install Roblox to install an updated version of the game. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.